Hello there and welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how you can set up MetalLB, which is a load balancer implementation for bare metal Kubernetes. And basically, it allows you to have an external load balancer, which is similar to what you would find in GCP, AWS, or Azure, but for your bare metal infrastructure. So technically, what we will have to do is to log into the K8s master, and MetalLB likes to live in its own namespace. So we will have to use the kubectl create namespace MetalLB, or as I can see, the manifest is going to create it. So as per installation, what we will have to do is to enable strict ARP, and this means that the ARP requests will be responded to only for actual IP addresses which are owned by the load balancer. So that's what we will have to do, and basically this would be the command. Let's apply it. So kubeproxy configured, and after that we will have to apply the manifest file, and this manifest file is this. So kubectl apply MetalLB native. So we should check the namespace MetalLB system kubectl get pods, and basically it is supposed to create the supporting pods. We will have a controller and 4 speakers, and the speakers are deployed on the Kubernetes nodes, so 1 for each. Okay, so once we have the pods running, we can create our IP address pool and layer 2 advertisements. So let's create the ap.yaml. And basically we say that we want this to be the default address pool in the MetalLB namespace, and this is the address range that we want to configure. You would want to make sure that the network on which you define this address pool doesn't have any other DHCP server, or at least the pods cannot access the DHCP server. And we will have to create the layer 2 advertisements. Then we can use the kubectl apply -f ap.yaml. And if we want, we can verify it with the kubectl get L2 advertisements MetalLB system, and there we go. And after that we can basically create a simple Nginx deployment. So kubectl create deployment Nginx, and the image is going to be Nginx. Once the pod is up and running, we should be creating the service which is going to support the deployment, and we can use the kubectl expose deployment nginx --port equals 80 -- type is load balancer kubectl. Good. Now we can check on the kubectl get service, and as you can see, the external IP was populated from our load balancer, and that's basically the idea of MetalLB. Cool. So now we should be able to verify it by saying curl http 192.168.1.240 and with the -I, so technically the external IP is working fine. And you would use any kind of deployment, and those deployments would receive an IP from this address. And that was all I wanted to show you. See you in the next one.